Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, BNB is just sort of following the analysis at the moment. In the last video, we talked about that against this $225 level, we could focus here on higher, either in an Elliott Wave triangle, which is highlighted here in blue. The Elliott Wave triangle assumes that we are currently in a wave 4. And the wave 4 would end at the end of the triangle. So when the triangle is finished, which consists of 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. That is when the wave 4 is going to finish, and then we could get one more low. Now, to make the triangle a valid option, price must stay below this top, the 21st of June top, at $257. When the retracement here, the pullback to the upside, the relief rally, reached the 38.2 FIB retracement. Yeah, so as long as price stays below that level, the triangle is an option, and it then should quite shortly or quite soon go down, make a higher low and another lower high, and then we have a triangle complete. Or, and that was the other option, it goes a little higher, also in a corrective structure, but a simple one, ABC, A, B, C. In this scenario, it's allowed to push higher, would actually be expected, and it could reach all the way up to $268, $269. Only above that level, other bullish options might be considered. I have difficulties to see this, honestly, but of course you can always interpret something bullish into anything. It's just that at the moment, from a probabilities, likelihood point of view, until I see a clear breakout structure, and ideally that's a 5-wave move, which I just don't have here, at least nothing clear or reliable, I have to be looking for another low. So I'm watching currently. If we get another low, I will consider more bullish options above 268, 269, but it would need to show me a reliable setup, and I just don't have anything to the upside, at least not. And if we make one more low, so either at the end of the triangle it should sell off, or after the C wave top it should sell off. If we make one more, low, support would be around 208. That's the 88.7 FIB level. That's the next support. But ideally it's going to recover from there quickly. Yeah, and then we can still track an overall bullish scenario, because below 208, we're losing the last Fibonacci support level here on the Fibonacci ladder. And we will then most likely break below the June 22 low at $184. Now, what would I need to see to consider something more bullish? Well, ideally, I would count this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to have a larger leading diagonal. That's an option. But then I need one more higher low and one more higher high. And then we can count that as a wave 1, wave 2. From an Elliott Wave point of view, this would be a decent structure. Or, yeah, but I don't see it, right? I mean, or this was already the leading diagonal in the wave 1, right? And this was the wave 2, but it did come down too deep to make it reliable. So honestly, from a probabilities point of view, this doesn't give me much info in terms of it's going to go up, but this looks very corrective. Therefore, the preference has to be down. Of course, alternatively, the low could already be in, but I mean, anything could happen. We can really only focus on what should happen. And yeah, a break below the 225 low here, 28th of June low, would confirm that we're heading down in a 5th wave. Yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.